Right, so today we're going to be taking a quick look and quickly testing it. The Aldi Workzone portable bandsaw. So this is a Aldi website deal only. They don't sell it in the stores. You can get free delivery if you want, or you can pay £3.95 for next day delivery. Let's unbox this thing and take a look at it. Okay, so what do we get in the box? Right, so we've got the instruction manual, and there's a website on here where you can buy the bandsaw blades from, but these are the same size as a Milwaukee, I believe, so, and all the other porta bands as well, so you can get some of those ones. They'll probably be better quality as well. There is a metal cutting bandsaw blade there. Set of Allen screws and an Allen key, and then there's the porta band itself. Just get this box out of the way and we'll take a better look at it. So let's try to get this blade on and test it out. So it looks like it's a 14 teeth per inch blade, I think. So the blade direction, so the teeth will be cutting towards this plate. So it needs to go in between these rollers either side. Just using the back of the handle there to push the blade in. There's a tension handle on the back, but I got it in just about. The blade's not fully seated, but I imagine hopefully when I turn it on, if I put it on the low speed, it should line up properly. Right, so I've got it plugged in, so I'm just going to spin it up to hopefully it will seat the blade. Got it on the lower setting, I think. Yeah, you can adjust the speed here. Got it on number 1. Yep, so that looks like it's seated okay. Yep, so just quickly test this out on some metal. Okay, so I've got some thin tube here. Let's see what it does on that. Yeah, it eats that for breakfast. Got some metal threaded rod here. Well, it definitely cuts that. Not sure about this. This is not sure how thick this is. Try it though. So 25mm mild steel bar. So there we go, done a pretty good job actually, and this is pretty hot. Alright, so to set it up on the stand, it comes with 3 Allen headed bolts and also an Allen key to fit them. Yep. So there's 3 holes on the side of the top of the portaband. Okay, so on the back of the base, back here, you've got your degrees for cutting miters. To adjust your angle, you just use this lever here, pretty simple. It's actually quite a well made base, and the actual vise here is die cast aluminium, and it's got like a lever action lock on it as well to lock the workpiece, which is quite nice. So I'm going to try it on this piece of box section here, 50mm by 75 by thickness is say around about 3mm. Just take a slice off it. Cut through that pretty easily. See if it's square. So yep, that is actually damn good. Yep, turn it round. Yep, nice and square. Just quickly try this bar in there. Look at that nice finish. Ooh, that's a beautiful finish. Not bad at all. So when I'm cutting with that, I'm not putting any weight down on it. I'm kind of holding it up. I'm kind of babying it. You probably could just let the weight of it on there, but I'm just kind of like holding it up, so it's not got the full amount of weight on there. That means then the blade will last longer as well. These are all die cast aluminium. I did see another review on YouTube where the person said that this was plastic housing, but it's actually not. It is cast aluminium. This arm here seems to be cast aluminium, and there is actually a bearing in here, a thrust bearing, which goes through to a nice big bolt. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed with this actually. Always wanted one of these, so I've used them before in the past, and I've always wanted to get one because they are I mean, sometimes I cut a lot of small metal parts, and doing that with a hacksaw takes quite a lot of energy. And also this is a lot quicker, this is a lot quieter than using an angle grinder at, say, you know, 10, 11 o'clock at night. And I've got neighbours to consider, even though they say they don't mind the noise. Yeah, so there we go. It seems to be a pretty impressive machine, and it will be a welcome addition to my small workshop. So please comment, let me know what you think. If you've got any experience with this portaband, let me know down below. If there's any questions, comment down below and I'll try to answer them. I will try to do a proper review of this in around about 3 months' time when I've had time to test it. I may make a video or a stand so I can use it upright. But yeah, please subscribe and comment down below. Thanks very much, and Happy New Year to everybody.